Hello friends. Today we are going to see very important topic and most interesting topic in Python. That is tablet. This is the model. If you give the sample data as list tuples, um, any iterable with the rows of data, what it do, what it does, it will fetch the data and give it in the table format. So the basically that syntax follow. Just to use this, first we have to do import that particular model. So already if you are Python, just you can put on simple syntax pip install tablet, then it will install automatically. Just to go to the command Windows command window, just you have to type pip install tabulate. That's it. If you install, then automatically it's installed. So already I installed. So it's giving. If it's not installed, it will install the pip. Okay, that is the one thing. Okay. So now we can go with so okay. Now we can go with the basic example. So first to use this model, just we have to give from tablet from import tablet. This is the library we have to import it. So already we install it. So it will be used in our steps. First, we should have the sample data. So just I am creating one list. I am putting some sample data and here headers. Headers just I am listing out what are the headers. So then we can use that particular tablet in the print inside it data. So it will use this complete data. Headers, it will use these headers. Headers equal to the table format. Which format you want? You want grid. We can create a grid, plain, pipe, fancy grid, grid hub, HTML. These many formatters are there. These are the more frequently used format. We can put it and it will format and give it to you. So that's it. So just I created one sample program. This is tablet import tablet. Sample. I'm giving this data. These are the headers. Just I'm printing tablet, calling this tablet model data headers for table format grid. Just I am going to execute and show it. This is the first script. See, just just other programming language we have to do multiple lines of code to achieve it. But Python it's very easy. Just we have to use sorry the particular library and we can get benefit out of it. That's why Python is very uh, fast growing technology and it's very helpful to application development. Just if already someone developed the model, just we can import it and we can use it. So that's what's just one single line we are able to achieve in the table format, segregating each data with headers. Okay. So you can try all this format and you can make use of it in your projects. Okay. So what happened, so now I you gave one more format just um for this example, just a data and header, and I am printing that in data and header is equal to header table header. So similarly whatever you want you can put it. Okay, just I am running it 0 to see. If you see, this is the ordering is different. So example, if you want HTML format, just you can print it HTML. See. So when what happened in the real time, what happened? This data it will come from database or front end application from anywhere. Just we can read it from there and using data header simply we will put it in table format and we can give it. This the way we can save lot of time to make good presentation in using the data. Okay. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel. Do follow and share your comments and question in the comment box. I will reply back immediately once I got it. Okay. Thank you.